Okay, English 12 for Wednesday, May 6th. So your previous assignment was to read just that first half of chapter 19 and respond to those three prompts. So the first one had to deal with, tea cake, asking, what does it matter if they're black or white or dead? So hopefully you kind of made the connection there. It's a very good point. It's a very simple point, but it's a very good point. Okay, same thing with Janie's kind of insightful comment between, nice colored folks and bad people. And then the last one, I asked you to, what might the white doctor symbolize? Okay, so again, he's unable to fix tea cake. Okay, so our focus for this reading is kind of a sad irony. And then, again, another kind of insightful comment from Janie about, tea cake had to die in order to get rid of the dog. And then, again, I'm sorry, I'm kind of overwhelming you with symbolism here, but, what might Janie, wearing her overalls to tea cake's funeral symbolize? Think about, where she's come from and where she is now, right? We're at the end of the novel. Okay, so your assignment is just to finish up chapter 19. So in the PDF that I've posted, it's pages 228 to 239, and then again, do your best responding to these prompts. Okay, so the first one: why is Janie shooting tea cake kind of sadly ironic? All right, think about what they do in their free time. Think about things that tea cake just purchased. All right, in this chapter. Okay. Second one, Janie said that tea cake had to die to get rid of the dog. Okay, so again, he's at this point been bit by a rabid dog and has rabies. So, how can this be applied maybe to the plight of the black community in general during this time period? Okay, so again, think maybe back to the Booker T. Washington thing I had you do last week. Okay, and kind of make that connection, or just maybe how the different people within the black community treat one another. Think about Mrs. Turner and maybe some other folks. So again, do your best there. These, like I said, these are kind of tough questions, but we're seniors. This is the end of the year. I need you to kind of think again, kind of abstractly a little bit. Okay, and then lastly, what does Janie wearing her overalls say about her at this stage in her life? All right, so again, think about where she's come from, all the kind of trials and tribulations she's been through, her relationship with Joe, her relationship with tea cake, okay? And, this is the second husband she's had to bury, all right? So one last chapter to go. Tomorrow, folks, like I said, chapter 20 is like 2.5, 3 pages long, and we'll be done with this thing, okay? So again, do your best. Get that into me as soon as you can, please. Thank you. See ya.